In this video, I'm going to show you how to make audio and video responses in your forums. So here we are in the Unit 2 weekly forum for one of our certificate courses. And we can see our discussion question here. It tells us what we want to be posting in the forum. And so to add your initial post, it says reply to this forum. So I'm going to hit reply. And when we hit reply, this quick box pops up, but there are no options for editing. So what we need to do is to click on advanced on the right side underneath the entry box. And that will bring up our editing tools. So we have the usual bold, italic. You can add pictures. And now you can also add an audio recording. Here is the microphone icon for that, or a video recording. So make sure that your audio is enabled, that you have a microphone attached to your computer or your laptop. And simply click there and click start recording. And let us see how that works. I'm going to start recording. I am going to speak for a few seconds. You will see that it is counting down from 2 minutes. So you have only 2 minutes, but that should be enough to give your comment. And when you're ready to stop recording, simply click stop recording. And if you want to add anything, you can record again, or you can attach the recording. So I'm attaching the recording. And here you can play it back. Recording. I am going to speak for a few seconds. So it's as simple as that. Of course, if you want to add anything else, you can also type in this box and then scroll down and click post to forum, and that will be your post. So I'm going to delete this and show you the video recording. So simply click on this video icon here, and of course, something is preventing the browser from accessing the webcam, and that is because I am recording now on Zoom. But you will not get that message. You should get a message asking you to allow access to your computer, microphone, and web camera. And you just go from there. Again, it will be a 2-minute recording that you'll be able to make. And just post it to the forum, and there it will be. Don't forget to scroll down and post to the forum